You say you are lost and you're in need of some. Wow, beautiful babes. Hello, hello, hello. And thank you for joining me over here on Sweet Angel TV. Y'all, today, I tell you what, it's kind of hard for me to get on camera today without like bursting out in tears, because my story today truly is one that should really embody resilience, determination, okay, and my unwavering spirit to rise from the ashes. Because y'all, I have actually had to face adversity head on, truly. And now it's time for me to start afresh and rebuild from the ground up. But you know, I'm truly thankful to have this channel over here. In case y'all have been searching for me, guess what? Where I used to be is no longer there anymore. So I'm not going to really get into a lot of detail about that, but we are here. I am a content creator who had to basically start from scratch after my main channel here on YouTube was completely deleted. So I'm not sure, you know, I don't even know if this will survive, but I'm going to start it. I'm going to kick it off, and I'm going to be here. I'm going to be somewhere, and you'll always be able to find me somewhere. But right now I am here. Now, can y'all imagine? Oh my God. The challenges, the setbacks, and the emotional roller coaster that I've been on after losing something that I have truly poured my heart into and my soul into. And it would have been marking 10 years. 2014, next year 2024. I am floored. Okay, I am floored. But I am here. It's okay. It's okay. I keep telling myself it's okay. There's a reason for everything. And no, the channel will not be back over there. And I just want to thank y'all for being here. Honestly, I want to thank you all for sharing in my journey over the years. I don't know how long each of you all have been here individually, but collectively, y'all make it do what it do. And that's why it's not as devastating, but it is devastating because that's what I did. Oh my gosh, the bulk of my days are spent creating and making things happen on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm devastated. My channel was a labor of love, years of hard work, creativity, building a community. And then I woke up one morning at 3:30 a.m. just to check on some things on my channel, and it was gone. It was gone. The freak. What? I'm like, what? I woke my husband up. I'm like, baby, my channel is gone. Oh my gosh. I felt lost out of this world. I felt heartbroken. But I knew I couldn't let that be the end of my story. And I promised myself I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry over this. Because God knows what the deal is, what's going on, etc., etc. He got me. He got me. Okay? Okay. And you know, for all of us, it's in our moments of adversity that our true strength is revealed. And I know I got this. So, truly what motivates me to start all over and kick this thing off again is my beautiful babes. I may not be able to capture all 480,000 of them because that was 10 years of my life invested in this. But I will definitely have those that truly love me and care. And yes, I do have my grandbaby sitting on my lap here. She's a trooper. She is a trooper because today, of course, you know, I'm sitting her all day. And she's just been dealing with these issues, and she's been such a sweetheart. She says, Grandma, I love you. I know she's saying that. She's not really saying that, but her eyes tell me she loves me. Yes. But y'all, woo, honey, You know, beautiful babes, I realized at that moment that my passion for creating content and connecting with people and my beautiful babes was stronger than any setback. Okay? I couldn't let this define me, who I am. So I had to take a deep breath, and I'm still taking deep breaths. I'm still gathering my thoughts, but I decided to try it again. We're going to set it up again. We're going to set it up again. But this time with even more purpose and even more dedication. And baby, I was dedicated. I'm always going to be dedicated to the things that I love, without a doubt. And right now, yes, I'm facing some hurdles as far as I had so much linked to that channel. You know, I had sponsorships. I had my affiliate marketing. I had so much linked on that channel and so many memories. And gosh, it's gone. And my daughter used to always get on me, why do you keep all of those hard drives? Those videos are posted, they're up there. I said, wait a minute, just in case something goes down. But guess what? I do have the content. So I do have the content that I can go back and utilize if I need to. But my thing right now, I want to give you something different. I want to give you something more, okay? So it's not going to be a problem. Technical hurdles, emotional hurdles, the daunting task of regaining the trust and support of my audience, or even a new audience. But I'm just going to take it one step at a time. It's going to be tough, but this has made me even stronger. It's made me even more eager to do what I do and do more and give y'all more of me, which is what I was telling you on my channel before, that I wanted to give more. And even if it's not on this platform, it may be on another platform. We're going to do what we do, without a doubt. But what I want to say at this moment is I'm not the only one going through. There's others going through. So I just want to share my advice. Y'all know I like to give some advice, a little tidbit here, right? Never underestimate your strength. I want you to, as I am, embrace the challenges as opportunities to grow, to even grow bigger and better. And I love to surround myself with positivity. Anything negative, I'm kicking out the door, okay? So don't cry for me. It's going to be all right. And I want you to, as I am also, never going to lose sight of why I started the channel in the first place. And most importantly, I'm going to believe in myself. And I want you to believe in yourself. You can do all things. All things. You already know. When you know, okay? But you got to keep at it. And the one thing about it is, I know it's never too late to start over. It's never too late to create a new and beautiful chapter in my life. And same with you. And again, I want to thank you all for joining me on this chapter. Thank you so much for being here today on Sweet Angel TV. I hope you go ahead and subscribe. I hope you look forward to the content that I'll be sharing over here. I appreciate each and every one of you all. It's nothing that you've done wrong. You know, it's really nothing that I did wrong. I promise you, never in a million years. You know, can you imagine? I just want to make sure that all of my beautiful babes, make sure you safeguard everything personal so that no one can tap into it. No one can tap into it, because there are so many crazy trolls out there. It is such a crazy world. You can never trust too many people. So in life, there will be setbacks. There will be challenges. And none of us are alone with it. You know, we all will have our valleys. And, you know, sometimes we go deep in the valley. But I'm walking up out of this. And we are here on Sweet Angel TV. So much more to come. So much more fun and entertaining content I plan to do. I'm learning so much. And I want to share it with my beautiful babes. Life is about the journey. Life is about growth and the beautiful stories we create along the way. And again, thank you all for joining me. Thank you all for joining me in this new chapter. I truly appreciate each and every one of you all. Those who have been part of the journey, both then and right now. I'm absolutely, oh my gosh, just overjoyed that you're here and you are watching this video. And you know what? If you're facing your own challenges, I hope my story has shown you that you have the strength. You have the strength within you to overcome anything. And this is where we are, beautiful babes. Just want to let you know, Sweet Angel TV, please make sure you tell everybody where we're hanging out now, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. I want everybody to drop a like on this video, turn on your bell notification, and listen. Instead of red hearts in the comments, please, if you made it to this point, drop purple hearts. Purple hearts is the thing. Purple hearts is what we're going to be doing. Please drop me some purple hearts. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna cry. I'm going to be strong. And I'm going to keep on getting busy doing what I do and what I love. And if there's anybody out there who needs a reminder that they can overcome whatever life throws their way. Remember, every ending is a new beginning. Yes, I love that. And that's not original. But I wanted to share that today. And until next time, which it won't be long, take care and keep shining, beautiful babes. I got you, you got me. And Lil Royal said she can out-talk me, so she decided to be quiet. And hey y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye now.